What's happening, crypto fam? Welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. This video, we're on Sylo staking through the Seekers and Sylo website, through the FUTUREVERSE pass and the bridge. So if anyone is wanting to get in on the Sylo staking, passive income, staking rewards, 60-day lockup, and contributing and participating in the Sylo network, which is Web3 communications across the open metaverse and beyond, you need a Seeker to stake. Once you've updated the Seeker, you can stake through network, but it's not quite as easy as just buying a Seeker and doing it all. You obviously need to buy the Seeker, you need to buy some Sylo, you need to bridge it to root. So how do we get there? Well, shown on a previous video, we have the FUTUREVERSE Future Pass and the root wallet, right? So you notice that we've got a root wallet and an Ether wallet through MetaMask. We've got XRP in root wallet, XRP in MetaMask wallet, Asto in root, Asto in MetaMask, Ether in root, Ether in MetaMask, Sylo in root, which is staked, and Sylo in Ether, which isn't. So we need some Sylo in the wallet, and we need it bridged and sent to the root network wallet. Now, if you're unsure how to use the bridge, CryptoPunk, our mate Chris at CryptoPunk here has got a great tutorial on it, the Future Bridge tutorial, how to use a root network bridge through the official Block Explorer bridge. Link for that will be in the description. Watch Chris's video, get through it bish bash bosh, and once you are actually through it, you will be ready to load the wallet. And not only load the wallet, we got 3 prisms, woo woo. Not only load the wallet, but send the bridge them and send them and do what you need to do. So once you've got through all that and you see some Sylo in your Ether, you get it bridged, you get it sent over to the other one. You've got a Seeker in the MetaMask wallet. We can come to Seekers. Now, you might notice that the Seeker in the MetaMask wallet will need bridging to root. You can see these Seekers are on the root network. Potentially buy one on Ether network now and bridge it over. Just get your hands on a Seeker or you can't take part at the minute. Once you've done all that, you're ready to go. You update the Seeker. This will be like update required. You'll click on it. You'll update it. You'll be given all the attributes and potentially a class. We'll click on network. We'll click stake. And you're basically good to go. All right. My network, I'm staked to that one. We've got 100,000 Sylo staked to it. And we've got 2,011 Sylo in rewards. So claim rewards. Fine. I'm not actually sure if these are going to go into the locked up staked rewards or if they'll add to the 9,000 that's, still in the wallet. But we do want some still in the wallet because we want to potentially pay for fees with Sylo. You can see right there on the screen that it's come back at 11,358, which tells me straight away it was added to the wallet with 9,000 in. So if we come back to FUTUREVERSE dashboard now, 9,012, we refresh this page, and eventually that is going to say, if it doesn't already, 11,358. Now we can go and stake that. Costs a little bit of Sylo to stake it, but we want some there for future. We've got a little bit of root for potential gas fees. We've got some XRP for potential gas fees. The beauty about the root network is you can use different currencies for the gas fees. But 2,000 Sylo for the previous reward cycle. Let's just go to CoinMarketCap. Not even sure how much it is at the moment. Not that one. Let's do it on here because why not? CoinMarketCap. Pew, 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 pew. Sylo. 0.002678. It's not a lot at the moment. Yeah. We'll just do 2,000. I can't remember exactly how many it was. It was 2011 or something, but we'll just do 2,000. And it's not going to be a lot of money, granted. It was $5. Alright? It's not a lot. But show me the cycle where your bank's giving you $5. People are like, oh, no. Well, back to the ISOC. You can get 5% off an ISOC. Yeah, well, you go and do that, mate. You go and do that. Fill your boots. People don't understand that we're on appreciating assets here, right? We do not expect Sylo to be worth this in a few to several years. Even a couple of years would expect it over that. Where does it have? All-time high is 1 cent. 491. 1491. So it goes back to its all-time high. That $5 turns into nearly $30. Goes beyond the all-time high. Again, I'm not saying each of these staking protocols at the minute are not going to pay you a wage unless you put a hell of a lot of value in it. Right? What I am saying is the more of these little pots we grow, down the line, when the value of the tokens increase, which we believe it will, it almost definitely will. I bet my life on it, obviously. I am betting my life on it, basically. But down the line, this is the more pots you have, the more chance you've got of that paying an actual wage. It is the same for the root staking. Sign in to root staking. And we got reward. Vortex. Got no Vortex tokens. Got no validator tokens. We'll share the bootstrap rewards based on your participation level and staked root updates at the end of each era. Nice. Cycle ends in 36 days. So not only do you get the root rewards, you get VTX that you can claim back as well through the Vortex. So once we get some VTX again, we're onto the Vortex and we redeem the Vortex tokens. Vortex circulating supply. So yeah. Root and Sylo staking. Don't sleep on it. But Sylo, I'm a massive advocate of Sylo. Love him. I've done from the beginning. Get me back to the Seekers.xyz, please. Thank you. So yeah, you need a Seeker. You need some Sylo. But it's just something else that I don't want everyone to sleep on. I just want to make you aware, show you how to get it done. Get some Sylo in there. And just leave it for several years, because this is the game now. We're building these pots for passive income. This is it. This is your chance, yeah, to grab some of that 500 trillion we was talking about yesterday. Oh yes, and yeah, it's a simple. We will be doing more staking videos down the line. Do another little one on root, but it's pretty much the same setup. Once you've bridged your assets through the tutorial that Chris dropped, you've got them all bridged and sent over to the root network. You're good to go stake on root. Just click stake and it's going to take you there. You're good to go to Seeker.xyz and stake on there. And hopefully Asto staking comes back soon as well, because we were staking Asto for Asto energy that people was mining brains with, but that stopped for the time being. Not sure if it'll come back or whether Asto staking's coming back, so eyes on that stuff. And on that note, take it easy. Yeah, you know the dance. Strive for happiness, health, wealth, and happiness is the true currency and value for humanity, baby. There's just nothing more valuable than your health and happiness. Okay, what anyone says. So make sure you're healthy and happy. Yeah? I'll see you on the next one, guys. Live long and hodl. Take care of yourselves. Peace.